world is a different place today.
We've entered an age where we build cars that drive themselves, where AI can write, design, and imagine, almost like us. And yet, when it comes to buying a home, we're still flipping through brochures, still looking at floor plans printed on glossy paper, still guessing how the sunlight will fall on our balcony, still imagining what it might feel like to live there. At MadSpace, we believe that's no longer enough. We're not here to replace architecture. We're here to revolutionize how people connect to it. We've created Iris, a real-time, all-in-one 3D experience for real estate, designed not for screens, but for spaces, for elegant showrooms, for the moment of decision. With Iris, buyers don't imagine the view, they step into it. They don't ask where the bedroom faces, they watch the morning sun fill it. They don't just read square meters, they walk through space. Freely, naturally, instinctively. Real estate isn't just about buildings. It's about emotion, certainty, presence. And we believe the sales experience should reflect the quality of what's being sold. Iris isn't a visualizer. It's not a marketing gimmick. It's a platform. A toolkit for the future of real estate development. One that empowers sales agents with clarity. One that excites buyers, not with promises, but with presence. This is not about replacing the old. It's about unlocking what's next. No more brochure-only showrooms. No more lifeless screens. This is real estate's new stage. Iris. See tomorrow. Today.